Hello YouTube, this is just Daddy today again, and today I'm just going to update the Hoover Junior 370 restoration. Well, we've already seen the bag, that's nice and clean. It has been ironed, but I'll have to do it again. I'm going to have to paint this bit here, that's the only bit I forgot to do. The handle now has been painted up now, looking a lot different than it did before. There's all the motor, armature and the sole plate. I'm probably just gonna clean that one up with a bit of wire wool just to finish it off. There's the fan clean. There's the bag holder, looking nice and clean and black. There's the body, the main unit. That's now looking pretty nice as well. There's the back of the machine with the, I think it's the front bearing housing, I think. And there's the actual back of the machine. The only mistake I had there, can't really see it on the camera, but the paper stuck when I was painting it. So I'll have to just go over it again, but it don't look too bad. So you learn by your mistakes, and then when it's built, it should hopefully look like that. So I'm gonna go and get it built up, and the next video we shall have two looking identical, and hopefully we'll have them two running side by side as well. So bye for now.